Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we want to take a look at the Hustler Moneybook. Just a reminder before we start, this is not a paid promotion or a hype video. This is an honest review video. We take a look at products that are coming out on the market, and I give you my honest opinion so you can find good products, and so that hopefully you come back to find out my opinion on other products. I am not interested in selling you products that you aren't interested in. You will find a link to this product, the sales page for this product, down in the video description. If you purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. However, my goal is always to give you an honest opinion rather than just tell you why you should buy it and throw a bunch of bonuses at you. So, this is the Hustler Moneybook. Discover the 12 effective ways to make money online from your home. Now, obviously what this is doing is this is selling you a secret or a technique or method, and in this case it's giving you 12 effective ways to make money online. Now, there are a lot of ways to make money online. I have not paid for this, I believe, ebook, and so I can't tell you exactly what's in it. I can tell you, however, that some of the ways to make money online include things like doing surveys. So there's multiple. I don't really spend a lot of time on these sites, but there's lots of places where you can fill out surveys and receive money or receive coupons or discounts on products or whatever. That is one way to make money online. That is probably going to be in this book. Another way is to do testing for products. So you have sites like user testing. You can go on places like this and you can make money online. That is another way to make money online. Now, these are not consistent ways to make money. Obviously, the surveys or the products that you are in the proper demographic to test are not going to come up consistently on a regular basis. So, but you do need to keep in mind that those things are there. Just to say that because someone's saying 12 ways to make money online does not necessarily mean that they're going to be 12 ways to become an internet multimillionaire. Okay, that's not the same thing. This is literally ways to make money. So keep that in mind. I don't know, and we've got a little bit here. These are all real jobs. Now, I would say that most of the ways that I can think of to make money online do not include real jobs, although signing up for a service like Fiverr or, goodness, I've just lost the name of the other one, but Freelancer, there we go. Signing up to sell your services on a freelance website is another way to make money. That's probably the closest one to a real job that I've ever personally dabbled with. There's no hacks, so this isn't claiming to sell you any crazy secrets like some of the other things we've seen. Most of the rest of this is just sales copy. It's not actually telling us a lot about it. Now, obviously, in a book like this, as soon as you give away the table of contents, you give away most of the content of the book. So we're not going to see that with this product. $14 is not an awful price on something like this. I'll be honest, a few years back, so several years ago, I suppose now, I remember paying $10 for a book that was, for a document that was similar to this, that guaranteed, it was $10 for the book, and it guaranteed you would make $10 if you simply followed the steps in the book. And it was right. I made $10 in a very short period of time, covering the expense of the book. And I did learn a few things that at the time I didn't know. So $14, I don't think, for 12 different ways to make money online, I don't think that's an awful price. There is a disclaimer down here. There is a... Just trying to see if... Yeah, I don't think there's no money-back guarantee on this one that I see anyway. And the obvious reason for that is that once you purchase it, the book is telling you 12 ways that you can make money online. It's not promising you any kind of income. It's simply telling you, hey, here's something that is available to you. So $14 I don't think is too bad. I think if you're new to online marketing and making money online, I'm gonna recommend this, but I want you to pay attention to what else I'm saying. I don't know the exact content of the book. I can tell you that with 12 effective ways to make money online, there's going to be something that you can use. And even if it's something you're not interested in, like I said, customer surveys and product testing are going to be in here almost certainly. If those are things you're not interested in, you can pass them on to other people. Maybe grandma has lots of time and she doesn't mind sitting around and filling out some surveys to make a couple extra bucks. Maybe you have a niece or a nephew who fits in the demographic to do some of the product testing stuff, especially in things like gaming or whatever. So the things that you learn in this, one, you're picking up knowledge, and knowledge when it comes to establishing an online income is never going to be a bad thing. And secondly, again, the stuff that maybe you decide isn't worthwhile for yourself, you can use to help other people. Okay, but again, be aware. Some of this is going to have to do with you can create a YouTube account. You probably already know this. You can create a YouTube account, and once you get a certain amount of traffic, you can monetize your YouTube account. That's one way to make money online. There's lots of ways to make money online. This is going to give you 12 of them. It is a gamble because you don't know exactly what's in there. Think of it kind of like a Kinder Surprise. You're going to buy this. There's certain things you know you're going to get chocolate. There's going to be some kind of a toy inside that you don't know how good the toy is going to be until you open it. Unfortunately, that's kind of where this is. So I'm going to give this a guarded approval. Check it out. If you do pick this up, by all means, let us know in the comments how the product was, what your experience was. I haven't decided. I might, if I've got time later this week, I might pick this up myself and actually look at it. If I do, I will probably. If I do, what I'll do, I'm probably not going to do another YouTube video, but I will probably do a Substack article on it. So keep an eye on the Substack link at the bottom of the product description, or the video description, I should say. Anyway, that is Hustler Moneybook. 12 effective ways to make money online. So check out the page for yourself. The link is in the video description. Hope that's been helpful to you guys, and I hope to see you back here again soon.